Hi! I didn't think the button would go live while I was trying to set up my phone. Sorry about that. You just got a really close-up look at me and things that you didn't need to see. All right, let me see if I can adjust some things here. There we go. So hopefully you can see and hear me clearly. I'm taking a break from the paperwork today, and I am super excited because a few weeks ago, I got an email from Clever Fox Planner, and they said that they have a beautiful planning line specifically for people who love planners to use them to get organized in their lives, and they wanted to send me one. So at first, I thought they didn't ship to Canada, and I was really disappointed because I love planning, I love planners, I love testing them, and as some of you know, I kind of have my own system for making planners work for working moms, especially those of us that homeschool as well. So I wrote back, and Sophie said they do ship to Canada. You can get them through Amazon, and she told me to go ahead and pick one out, and I told her if she sent it to me, I would share with you guys everything that I thought about it, and I would test it out and let you know if I liked it or if I didn't. So first of all, I live in Canada, and the company is based in the States. And the first thing that I always worry about when you're shipping to Canada is customs. When you're crossing borders, sometimes you can get an extra bill. And I'm happy to say that this did not come with an extra bill. So this is the package, okay? And we have Amazon Prime, so it came really quickly. I think it only took like 3 or 4 days. Actually, it was a day early. And as you can see, it's cut open, and that's because my husband didn't notice that my name was on it. And so he cut it open, and I'm like, stop, that's mine. And I promised Sophie that I would share it with you guys, and I told her, because unboxing things is always kind of fun to watch, right? So it is cut, but that's all I did. So I haven't looked inside, so let's see. All right. So it has plastic wrap, as you guys can hear, and it came in a white box with their logo on the front. So that's pretty cool. So I've asked on Facebook here, and I'm going to try to open this so you guys won't be deafened, who has used these planners, because I had never heard of this company before. And so I was super excited to find out that they have a whole line of planners. They have goal-setting planners, they have weekly layouts, monthly, they have a budgeting planner that I've heard really good things about. And it's funny because I said, go ahead and send me whatever planner you want except the budgeting one, because I wasn't really interested in that. We do our budgeting and stuff online. And then I've been hearing these amazing things about them. And I thought, darn, I have, my son is going to be 18, he has his first job. I was like, that would have been a great gift idea to get him a budgeting planner that will help him keep really organized. So I'm kind of kicking myself for that. We'll see if I love this planner. I might get him one. So we'll see. Okay, enough of that. So it came in a box, and let's take off the lid and see. All right, so without moving anything, this is what came. Oh, as you can see, it came in perfect condition. Sometimes shipping can, sometimes they just get banged around. So I always worry that when things come, they're going to be damaged, but this looks great. So the first thing I have on it is a warranty card, and it is a 60-day money-back guarantee, no hassle refund. And then it tells you how to do that. So that came in the box. And then a thank you card. I always love it when you get a thank you card. I know they don't have to thank you for purchasing their stuff, but it's always just that extra special thing, right? So it says, thank you for your purchase, and then tells you how to leave a review. Reviews are really important. A lot of time people will skip them, but as a shopper, I use reviews big time in purchasing things. So even if I don't buy things on Amazon, I will go to Amazon and check and see what everybody has said, because sometimes you'll find inside pictures of things. You'll find what people didn't like or did like, and then I can make the decision, is that something I can live with or not? All right, so it came with some stickers. You guys know I love my stickers, right? Hi, April. It's good to see you. All right, so we've got some pretty cool stickers going on here. They look really, I love the bright colors, and I've got 3. All right, so then we have a how to use this planner card. So it talks about, oh, I guess I should look and see which planner I got, right? All right, so let me put the box down. And it is the Clever Fox Planner Non-Dated Daily Planner. Oh my word, that's a mouthful. I need more coffee and more sleep. My son, I don't know if you can hear him. Can you guys hear him coughing? He is coughing like he's gonna lose a lung. So I've been staying up listening to him. All right, so it also comes in plastic wrap. It says, by using Clever Fox Planner, you can stay focused on your goals, develop good habits, feel happier, increase productivity, sounds good, and live a more fulfilling life. It has a monthly review, weekly review, daily review, habit tracker, 6-month daily planner layout, affirmations, gratitude, and inspiration. So it's really nice and thick, and I love this thing. All right, let's see. Sorry, probably really loud. I do wish they had a little less plastic, but that's just because, wow, this thing is thick. Okay, let's take this off. We don't want that wrapper. All right, so there's the cover. So this is the rose gold one. I'm gonna guess anyway. I think it's really pretty. Isn't it pretty? It's soft, and I love this thing to keep it closed. I know I'm gonna use that. So, first thing that you'll notice that it doesn't have is the coil bound. Now, we'll see if I like this because I'm really, really loving the coil bound. So this is a weekly, daily planner, goal setting planner. Did I get the goal setting planner? I think I got the goal setting planner. Yes. And so I will be using this for my goal setting challenge that starts on Monday. And then it'll turn into a email challenge for anyone else who wants to sign up after we close the actual accountability part of it. But I will be testing this out with this and with my 12-week goals and accountability group that we'll be doing in the end of January. So I'll have lots of time. Oh, this is so cool. It says, if you lose it, please return. It has your name, email, Facebook, and your reward. So the paper is really nice. I've heard that's one of the things people mentioned about this planner. They said, you're gonna love the paper. Now, this is my problem with non-coil books. So we're gonna see if this will, as you use it, if it, evens out and starts staying flat. But it looks amazing. So there's some inside pages. I know it's backwards because it's live, and I apologize for that. So there's lots of room. There's goals for health, finance, business. Can you see that? Fun, recreational. There's mind mapping with bullet papers, bullet journaling papers, and your goals listed down the page. All right, so let me see if I can find a daily page for us to take a good look at. So this looks like one here. So this is today's. Can you see that? So this is a main goal for today, today's top priorities, your schedule, your to-do list, and then at the bottom, there's a rate your productivity. If you guys are asking questions, I'm not seeing them, any comments, but it could be just that Facebook's hiding them. So if you've left a question, please do so. I'm gonna come back when I'm done and I'll make sure I answer them, okay? And I'll tell you where you can get this particular planner so you can read other people's reviews of those who've used it. If you have used this planner, I would love to hear what you liked about it and what you didn't like about it. Okay, so here's a weekly review page. So you have your dot paper here and all the pieces written out. So it's whether you go, oh, they encourage you to reward yourself. That's important. So there's a goal achieved. Did you reward yourself? What reward would you guys pick? If you reached your goal, what reward would you pick? I would probably pick quiet time by myself or a walk. I like walking where it's quiet. So then we have the week and the days. So I'm gonna have to take a good look at this to see how it's all laid out. Another feature that I really like, and I don't know if you guys can see these, is it has 3 different bookmarks. So I find often I end up using a ton of those binder clips or paper clips to hold my pages because I want to know, where was I? But with 3, it looks like I'll be able to leave one on the monthly, one on the daily, and one on the weekly. So I'm really hoping it has the weekly and monthly overviews that I absolutely love, because they're essential for my busy life. If I want to like glance, what am I doing this week? Oh, and it does. There they are. So there's your monthly pages. It says month and year, and I like that they're blank, so you can start this whenever you want, which I'll be starting near the end of January, I think. I might set it up. I'm going to look through the little card. I love that it comes with instructions. You can see here, and then it even tells you like how to use it, and has pictures of how people have used it. There's like arrows, and really, it looks like they're going to be really good instructions, which is great, because sometimes you get a new planner and you're not really sure the best way to use it. It takes me like a month or two to kind of figure out how to make it work for me. So I usually start off using it the way that they tell you to, and then I change it up. So the pen holder is really great, and if you like medium-sized purses, this looks like it would fit in perfectly. I use really small purses because I never take my paper planners with me. Anyways, so that's it. It came in perfect condition. I love the color, and the paper seems great. I can't wait to test it out. Again, if you've used this planner is from Clever Fox Planners. If you've used any of their planners, let me know. If you have any questions or features that you want me to look for or try out as I use this, please let me know. I'm excited to get started. All right, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.